Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can check your USMLE score report a few hours before the official report is released. Many of us might be waiting anxiously for days and weeks for our results. So this trick and this quick method can give us an early look before the official email arrives. Let's get started. So the initial step is to have a Google Chrome. If you're using MacBook, especially in MacBook, you have to use Google Chrome. For other devices as well, Google Chrome is helps you smoothly to find out your score report, because in my own experience when I was trying Safari, I was not able to go ahead properly. So I chose to use Google Chrome in order to see my score report smoothly. Let's go step by step. So the first step is to open Google Chrome, that I already did, and then you write FSMB login. You enter the website of FSMB, then you see there is written licensing and exam. You click on this option. Because I'm checking my step 3 score report, I click on step 3 USMLE, but you can use this trick for other steps as well, because you can see all step results here. I click here, and then it asks you to log in into your FSMB account again. I log into my account. You see, this is my account, and in the right corner, you see there is written View USMLE Exam History. You click on this option. Once you click here, you see that all 3 step exams with the date and attempt and everything is already written here. So you right click on this page, and you see there is another, there is in the right click, you see these options. You just click on the inspect and go ahead, and you see another page is opened, and here you look at the network. You just don't ignore the other options, click on the network, and when you click on the network, you see that it's asking you to reload the page. You reload the page, and you see here is another page. Now you look around to find USMLE exams, and then you click on that. When you click on USMLE exam for the second time, again click on the USMLE exam with the red, there is a red marking. So you click on that. Now you see all 3 step exams report is here. Mine is not yet available, but it's soon gonna be available. But I just made this video in order to make it easy for others, because I was really having hard time to understand how it is going through, because everyone was just commenting on writing the trick, but I didn't find any videos to go through it step by step. I hope this is helpful for those who are watching this video. Wish everyone best of luck. Thank you so much for watching this video.